The 2018 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom, as well as an authoritative 5.4-liter 3-valve V8 flex fuel engine. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, navigation system, remote engine start, keyless entry, traction control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless start, floor mats, aluminum wheels. Your new ride is just a phone call away.